How to install TikTok on a computer or laptop. Open the menu in the lower left corner. Find the Microsoft Store on the right side of the menu. If it is not there, scroll through the full list of programs. Open Microsoft Store. Scroll down and find the TikTok app. If it's not there, type TikTok in the search bar and tap Enter. Find the button to install TikTok. Now you can view TikTok on your computer. For convenience, sign into your account. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.